That is super cute. Yes, 1K shares. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you guys like and share the video because like I said, we are gifting that away to one of you guys. $250 Cash App, PayPal, or Venmo. So I hope it is you that gets blessed tonight. And look at how adorable this set is. Like, I'm so, like, my Savage X Fenty pictures are going to be literally lit this weekend. And it is just so cute and adorable. And this is what it looks like in the back, queens. Like, and I mean, like I said, these are super cute and comfortable sets that you guys can wear around your mans. Like, that is so cute. So again, Raina did pin that link down below for you guys in case it ever interests you guys. I also like to show you guys this because every single month you get like new stuff and they're so cute. Like, every month there's something cute. Like, last month you're like, oh, is this the last cute thing they're gonna send? And then you get to the next month and you're like, queen, I love that. And I love to wear this stuff with Brittany. Like, it keeps your relationship alive because then you're right there like all sexy and then he's like, babe, come here, and I'm like, babe, come here, and it's just really, really cute. And if you don't have a man, then do it for yourself, queen. Like, so you could be in the mirror and be like, some people want diamonds. The color is so beautiful. Like, I love it so much. I'm actually gonna start and put you guys behind the scenes with me for my little video. I'm gonna do like 2 real quick with this outfit just to get them out of the way, and just so you guys can see also the behind the scenes of like literally what influencers do whenever they're doing these little videos. Like, this is what we do, you guys, and this is exactly how we do it. Watch, I'm about to show you right now. I'm just trying to get my hair filter. Hey, babe. Oh, ooh. And make sure you guys like and share the video. I always say that, huh? You're like, all right, Cindy, you told me twice already. Do we like this one? That is, yeah, I like this. Okay. Dude, this is so cute. Wait, I actually need to put it this way a little bit so my Cindy sign can be in the back. You guys, I'm about to show you guys the Savage X Fenty. Ah, hold on, I messed up. We also messed up too. Okay. And it's very nerve-wracking. I feel like lives are so much easier for me because on live I could be like, guys, like this freaking set is so cute, like go get it, like yes, queen. You're gonna be like, and then when you just started, you're like, okay. Guys, I'm about to show you guys this month's Savage X Fenty items, and they're so adorable. So you guys already know you guys can get 50% off your first order anytime you ever want to become a VIP member. And this set, I'm living. Like, I feel like you can literally wear this like in your living room with your man when you're just trying to watch like a little movie. Just super cute and adorable. And they do have sizes for all of you guys. So in case you guys do want this set, I am gonna leave the links on these slides for you guys. See, cute. I love that. And then sometimes I like to do like little boomerangs with the same little outfit. Bitch, I'm out of breath. So I'm gonna do a little boomerang. And they're so cute. She's working tonight. Dude, I literally did not work. Valentine's Day is coming up too, you guys, and this is stuff to spice up your relationship. So definitely do it. But I did not work as much like the first couple of like days of the month, and then I literally saw my schedule and I was like, oh. I was literally like, oh, like, oh, girl, you got a hickey on your stomach. No. This mark right here, if you ever see this mark right here on people, they had lipo done. So I have my 2 lipo marks right here. This is like from my actual surgery for my lift. But yeah, these little marks right here are from my liposuction. And then this little souvenir I brought from Iska's house. I literally brought this from Iska's house. I literally ate shit one day when I was drunk as hell. I was at my aunt's house that lives next to Iska's, and I ran to Iska's. I ate shit and I had a really, really big, you guys saw, I had a really big ugly cut right here, and I ended up having a scar. For those of you guys just joining, I am gonna go ahead and gift somebody $150 Cash App, PayPal, or Venmo on this live. You guys have to be on this live to claim, so make sure you guys like and share the video. And then if you guys want to spice up your Valentine's Day, babies, well, I'm just letting you know that you can get this, and it's so cute. God, the clothes under is making me look like my butt looks bigger, and then like I look thicker. But yeah, Queen, you're